Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get KuCoin referral link and code. So if you also want to get KuCoin referral link and code, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open KuCoin application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open KuCoin application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At home interface, you'll be able to find several options. In order to get the referral code and link, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see your UID. Right below it, you'll be able to find the option for referral program. All you have to do is tap on it. Through the referral code and link, you'll be able to earn together with your friends. You can share up to 20% commission from your referee's trades. So getting the referral code and link is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for referral code and link. You can see the referral code over here. Likewise, you'll be able to see the referral link over here. You can also copy it. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the referral code. Now you can paste it somewhere. Go to any application of your choice. Here I'm just going to open Notes application. Now just paste it. You can see over here, this is your referral code. Let's copy the referral link too. Simply go back to KuCoin application. You can see the referral link over here. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the link. Go back to Notes application. Paste it over here. Now this is your referral link. So that is how you get referral code and link in KuCoin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.